Hello everyone! Today I want to show you a review of a finished item. This is a dress for my granddaughter Caroline. We made a dress and such an amazing bag. First I'll tell you about the dress, then I'll put it on the table to show you the wrong side, and then I'll tell you about the bag. I think that it looks absolutely amazing. Both the dress and the bag were decorated with Swarovski crystals. This is a high-waisted dress. It is made of the red lace. The dress is gathered a bit here. We steamed these folds for them to look better. The side and the back are less gathered. We wanted the dress to be pretty wide. There is a flounce on the bottom. It is a bit wider than the bottom itself. This seam was edged with an overlocker. These are regular set-in sleeves. There is a zipper here. The lining is made of natural silk. There are also flounces on the sleeves. They are gathered a bit. I think that the sleeves look very beautiful. These are 3/4 sleeves. The length of the sleeves is perfect. The flounce looks amazing. The dress is decorated with the flowers. They were made of the same lace. I've already showed you how to make such decoration. Watch the video if you haven't done it yet. The flowers were decorated with Swarovski crystals as well. I'll show you this bag later. You can make such dress of any type of lace. Lining doesn't necessarily have to be made of silk. The design is very simple. I think that this is a perfect festive dress for a young girl. Next, I'll put the dress on the table to show you the wrong side. There is actually nothing special in this dress. Have a close look at the dress. These are regular set-in sleeves. There is a waist seam here. I remind you that this is the high-waisted dress. There is a flounce on the bottom. The bottom of the flounce wasn't edged. It was made on the edge of the fabric. The seam was edged with an overlocker. I wanted the seam to be soft. The lining was edged with baby ham. Let's have a look at the wrong side. The center back seam was edged with silk. Otherwise, it would be seamed from the right side. You can see that the wrong side is also very simple. This is the waist seam. The shoulder seams, the armholes and the sleeves were edged with silk. The neckline was edged with bias binding. The design is very simple, but the dress looks amazing. Don't be lazy. Make your kids look beautiful. I've already showed you how to make such decoration. Watch the video if you haven't done it yet. You can make flowers of different fabrics, chiffon for example. This is how the shoulders look like. It's decorated with the flowers made of the same type of lace and with Swarovski crystals. Please, let's make our kids look different and beautiful. We are the ones who can do it. I think that the dress is very beautiful. It's not hard to decorate it this way. We decorated the flowers with crystals of different size. Amazing. Let's move on to the back. You can buy these details in shops. There are tiny holes in them. This is how you should attach these details to bags. We covered the seam with the lace. The back is lined. We also used fiber felt to make it. It makes the bag stronger. The bag is also decorated with the flowers and Swarovski crystals. This chain also looks very beautiful. Amazing. Do not forget about your kids. Today I showed you this amazing dress. Now you know how it looks like both from the wrong and from the right sides. This dress is made of very simple lace. I think that it's enough for such dress. It's not hard to make such decorations. You do not necessarily have to attach many crystals. We attached just a few of them, on the shoulder and on the back. I think they look amazing. Let's be different and beautiful together. Our kids should always look amazing. Dresses made with love always look better than the ones bought in shops. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukšte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.